Now, real quick, when we talked about earlier, the FI community and how it originates from the Dave Ramsey, debt is the devil, and then how you had a restructuring of the relationship in your mind of debt to leverage, right?
It wasn't structured yet.
No,
though.
not yet. Okay.
Not yet.
Okay. What were some tools you used to manage that debt at the moment? Because that sounds like a lot of money, $90,000 credit card debt, APRs, 24, 25%, whatever. Like, how did you manage that? And yeah.
So I have my budget ABCs that I've been using since 2009.
Yeah.
I created this budget system, and this is how I've been living my life the entire time. So I just plugged it into my spreadsheet.
Mm-hmm.
Here's my total debt. Here's what I have left over after all of my bills are paid per month. How many months will it take, divide that number into that. And that gave me how many months it would take me to pay it off. And that was that. But what I did understand about credit cards and debt as well is that the interest can cause it to be a harder mountain to climb. So one of the strategies that I always use is I will roll over from a high interest card to a zero interest card. So I found a zero interest card for 18 months that allowed me to roll over that lump sum to that. So now I can fully control paying that back because it's not growing on me, right? So I've stopped the growth, moved it over, and now I can just focus on paying it down.
Awesome.